Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to promote Clickbank offers with article marketing. And if this is your first time to the channel, this channel is all about affiliate marketing and how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well to let you know what products I believe are legitimate and which ones are not as far as you making money online. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the content. We're talking about how to promote Clickbank products with article marketing. The first thing you're going to do is to pick a Clickbank product with a gravity over 30 and get the URL of the product. So we go to Clickbank and just go to the marketplace, and you don't put anything in the search box and just click search. You can search by popularity. You can see this is a new one here. That's the most popular right now. The gravity is 115. That means 115 affiliates made a sale within the last 30 days. So let's scroll down here. A lot of these are diet related. This one I think is interesting. Numerologist. And the gravity is 206. So let's click on this here. You're going to take the URL to the website, and you're going to go to the Google Keyword Planner tool. So you search Google Keyword Planner, and it's this one right down here. Okay, you're going to click on Find Keywords. You're going to put the URL in here. Get started. Okay, so you're going to look for keywords that have low competition and high search volume. So we'll just scroll down here. You want something that has several thousand searches a month. So right here, this one, it has medium competition, but the searches per month are 5,400. So that's a really good keyword there. And let's just see some of the other ones here. This one's pretty good, astrology, numerology, and it has low competition. This one as well, numerology, life path, 6,600. This one, numerology numbers, is 22,000. That'd be a great keyword. Okay, so you're going to pick out a few keywords that have high search volume, low competition. And you're going to pick out those keywords, and then you're going to write an article around the keywords with, again, low competition and high search. And then you're going to submit these to top article directories. You would use your keyword once in the title and then 2 to 3 times in the body of the article. And each article directory has different rules. Some of them allow you to put links in the body, and then some of them allow you to only put them in the author box. So you would hyperlink to your affiliate offer with the keywords. And I did some research on what are the best article directories to submit your articles to, and these were because the search is high to each one of these sites, and it gets a lot of traffic. So the first one is eZine articles, and you have Squidoo, Clatcher, Yahoo Answers, Go Articles, Articles Base, Buzzle, Article Snatch, Article Alley, and Article Dashboard. So those are the ones that you would submit them to. And again, you want to make sure that you follow each one has different rules. So you want to make sure you follow their rules so you don't get your account shut down. But this is a long-term strategy that you can use to promote Clickbank products. And what you would do then is after that, you would just repeat with other Clickbank offers. So you can go back and find another one that has good gravity, get the keywords for that, write articles around those keywords. And if you don't feel like you can write an article, you can always go to Fiverr, Fiverr.com, search article writing 500 words, and you can see in here there's several options for you to find someone who can write an article for pretty low price, $10 to $15. This one here is $5. So even if it wasn't like the greatest thing, you could use it kind of as a base. But I was going to say, if you were going to write your own articles, you would search that keyword in Google and you would see what would come up, what kind of things come up at the top, either a video or articles that are already been written. And of course you don't want to copy that, but you can just see what's been written, and you can kind of model around that to get ideas and write things then in your own words. And I'll tell you that if you do something like, let's say you write one article a day, there's no way that you cannot get better at writing. And I would think that after time you would definitely get some traffic and get some sales, because people are searching for those keywords. There's, when you go back here, you can see that there was that one for there's 22,000 right here. Numerology numbers, 22,000 searches a month. So that's something that people were really looking for. And this particular Clickbank product has to do with numerology numbers. So this would be a great way to market, because these are very targeted visitors to your article because they're looking for that particular keyword. So I just wanted to share this with you. It's just another way to promote Clickbank offers is with article marketing, and it's something simple to do. It doesn't cost anything. So if you found value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And again, if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how to make money online, make sure you click the subscribe button. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check that out if you like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.